man with a good job. Like a banker.
Men like that only date girls who wear Bruno's jeans.
Hey, what can I do for you? You go enjoy yourself.
How can I help you?
Hey, you got a sale.
Here you are.
I was following Crazy Lau all night.
Did he say anything?
Ranted about crumbs the whole time. Wouldn't shut up about them.
Crumbs.
Believe me, there's reason they call him Crazy Lau.
That Tang is Ho Fan. He was stealing from the evidence room.
What can I help you? What? Don't go too crazy with this one, Wei.
Stay back. We don't want to get involved. You need food? I got good duck.
I'll take some, thanks.
See? You look better already.
Surrounded. All right.
Finally.
Let me see the stuff.
Of course I got this. I think I come to a drug deal without drugs. My shit is the best. Check it out.
Money's on the boat. Follow me.
Nah, she's fucking oh shit, it's only it's
Fucking bitch. Sure. I can't do that. Can't do that.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing down here?
I live here. I gotta sleep. Get to boat. Drunk.
get out of here.
Oh. Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta.
Crab.
Oh, God! That's disgusting! Oh, shit! twice now. These are old friend prices.
I'm not your old friend. 35.
You bring me all the way out here to waste my time? Am I some Taiwanese street legend? Smuggler Hong doesn't hang.
Oh?
No. 50. Maybe we scratch up another 5 keys for you.
40.
Fuck you. 48 or I sell it all at 18K. They don't got a problem paying.
Did you get Popstar supplier?
I got him. So did Popstar. 2 shots in the chest.
Damn.
Shuts down the drug pipeline, at least. And I'm giving you Popstar on a platter. I got the deal and the double cross on camera.
Good work, Wei. Thanks. With Popstar gone, Sun On Yi is down to only 1 supplier. The bottleneck will create a lot of tension inside the Triad. Watch your back, Wei. We've charged Popstar and his top lieutenants. Conspiracy, trafficking, possession, and murder. He'll get life. And we've seized what looks like an entire month's supply. Thanks, Wei. You've done more to stop drugs coming into Hong Kong than half the narcotics squad combined.
Fish balls! I know you want fish balls! Unbelievable curry fish balls! You have to try them! You have to!
I'm starving.
Tell everyone you know, my curry fish balls will blow their minds. Fish balls! I know you want fish balls!
You have a car in here? You go enjoy yourself.
Thanks. It's fucking great when you're on my side.
Wait, we've been waiting for you.
You guys smell something? I do. 一直食屎嘅老鼠啊! You know what happens to rats, Wei?
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, Conroy gave me all the details when he was helping me out on that midway.
你收聲啊! Who the fuck do you think you are, huh? You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested? He ratted out Popstar, Winston. I know he did.
Are you gonna do to what? This motherfucker right here's a snitch! Is that right, Ming? You fucking rat. I sent you to Popstar, but now he's in jail! Yeah? And who stands to gain the most from that? You're gonna take over Popstar's whole ketamine racket now. No more scraps for you. You'll supply the whole city with drugs. You and Dog Eyes. Popstar's gone, but you're still dealing, aren't you? So who's supplying you? Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat! He's a fucking rat!
你個冇狗用嘅垃圾! You're still working for that bastard, aren't you, 係咪啊?
Wait, Winston, I swear!
I was a dirty fucker,
我發誓唔係我，唔係我。
Fucking rat. Clean that up. Loyalty's important, Wei. Never forget that. You get in this business for yourself, you're bound to end up like little Lan Tang. You know what happens to rats? Wait, he ratted out Popstar, Winston. I know he did.
Are you gonna do to what?
How many times I tell you? You can't flush that shit down the toilet.
You have a car in here? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei. Hey, what can I do for you? I used to drive one of those, and I lost my job. Well, long story short, here I am.
I found one of your statues.
A snake. I am grateful. I understand your sister passed.
She was an addict. She couldn't kick it. It's not a very interesting story.
I suppose. Though in light of that, your chosen career is rather interesting. To me anyway, knowing who you are.
You asked me once not to lie to you. And I think in return, you shouldn't ask me about my career.
Fair enough. What would you like to learn? I'm ashamed to call myself your teacher. Your failure is truly breathtaking. father! I'm embarrassed for you! My shame at your performance grows by the minute! How can we learn? Please, stop by again if you find one of my statues.
我食硬你㗎，仲有得靠樣揾食啊！你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命。仲有得靠樣揾食啊！
All right. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple of rounds. Come on, tough guy. You got nothing to lose but your teeth.
命長啊你！你掂撚晒！死硬啊！打得埋啲你！
All right. You keep winning, I keep paying. All right. You keep winning, I keep paying. All right. You keep winning, I keep paying. Whoa! All right, you keep winning, I keep paying.
死啦！緊啊！睇唔睇到啊？
All
尖嘴
Oh, rat! You keep winning, I keep paying.
手撳啊！
We have a winner. Here's your payday.
Seriously, that's the best you can do.
Hey, you! Yeah, you! You need better clothes? Of course you do.
You got to have meat. Makes you strong. Real man. Watch real meat.
You can do anything you want in that hat. You rob bank, you make porno, you kill zombies, anything you want. Oh, I can feel your zen from here. Creepy, very creepy. I see you in an alley, I get nightmares, guaranteed. That's old school. Oh, this perfect tattoo. You can tell people it means anything. Oh, reminds me of Vladivostok. Have you been? The girls there are all blonde, tall, long. Ah, yeah. The outfit suggests a name for you, but I just can't think of it. I think after you're done, I take a break for lunch. The girls at Madame Wu's are still energetic this time of day. You go later, it's not so good, you know? Can you feel the bionic? You look stronger already.
Inspector.
Away. I'm glad you're here. What do you know about the underground racing circuit?
Well, they drive fast. Occasionally they crash into something.
Yeah, and occasionally they end up killing each other.
Well, that's manslaughter at best.
But these last couple of files don't feel like manslaughter to me. It's got more of a deliberate feel to it.
You want me to check it out?
Yeah. Get into the circuit and see what you can find out.
All right. See you.